Alright, what's up fellas, man? Today we're gonna be doing the installation of the rear backup lights on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And you get your little two LED lights. I'm not sure which one's the inside and which one's the outside yet, but they should be the same, almost the same thing. So it's a little raining, but we should be good, man. We gotta make some videos, we gotta make some content. And yeah, look, so we got the outside, I don't know which one it is. Then we're gonna do both the outside and inside. And then the same thing, we're gonna do this side, the outside and the inside, so they can be good, man. So without any further notice, let's get right into the video, man. And we got this little umbrella because, you know, it's like I said, it's raining. But I'm tired of not making videos because this weather sucks, man. But we gotta make it work, man. We gotta make it work for y'all. So let's go ahead and do this installation real quick. All right, yo. So for the outer layer, for the outer lights, you only have two things. You have two clip-ons. So all you need is a screwdriver for this one. All you need is a screwdriver for this one too on the top. You will have to remove this top, but it should be fairly easy, man. Yeah, so man, all you need is all you have is two little clips.
You want me to come in so they can see?
So that's two little clip-ons. All right, fellas. So on the outer one, on the outer light, you're gonna for the backup lights. It's the one all the way in the bottom, the gray one. So let's take that one out and see what's up with this light. So I had a little difficulty trying to take this light out. So I figured out that you have to pull when you have the clip in there, you have to pull the first of all, you have to twist it and take it out, and then this little red clip, you have to pull it out, and then just push the clip down, and this light should come right off. So I figured out that when I took this off, the bigger one is for the outer light, so it will be this one. Alright, fellas, so for the inner light, which is this one, not the outer light, the inside light, you will have to remove this little plastic cover. And I've seen a lot of people do it weirdly, and it looks frustrating, but a lot of people try to do it like, you know, where it's tight already. This little sealed tights, little sealed sides, man. So what I did, I have a flathead. There's like where the cut is, right here between the cuts. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to get it. There you go. Between the cuts, all you gotta do is put your screwdriver in there, and it comes right off, man. And that was the easiest thing for me. I see a lot of people try to start it on the parts where it's, you know, tight. So before you even try it, try this part where you can see like where it splits. So go ahead and try that, and then start getting in the parts where it's already starting to loosen up. All right, fellas. So after you take this clip off, I kind of got it a little bit hanging, because I don't see the reason to take this out. But if you want to, so you don't damage the cables, take it out, take the clip off. All you got to do is press this, bring this little gray part up for the lights in the inside, and take it out. But for the inner lights, for the backup lights, all you need to do is take this clip off right here, the gray one. It's another gray one, like the one on the outer. So just take that off, and it should be good to go. Twist it, and it comes right off.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And there you go. Obviously this is the smaller light. So there you go, it's a smaller one. You tell? Smaller light. So that should tell you that that's, you know what I mean, the right light. Let's see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one side, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before and after. Fits.
So it turned it like that color on your car?
Yeah, you know how my color is LED?
Yeah.
Instead of that ugly yellow light, it's gonna be nice and blue. Can you put it in reverse?
Yep.
All right, fellas, so look at it. That is how it looks with the LED lights, man. Now I can install the tent for the backup lights, and it'll be able to be through. Can you guys tell the difference? Look at it. All right, guys, which one's LED? That one or that one? Take a guess. But yes, y'all, look at. Oh my God, that bit. Ew, man, this is extremely ugly. Look at this. Anything LED looks way better, man. Woo, I like that. Yes, sir. That looks beautiful. Now I can install the tent for the backup lights. All right, guys. So I went out and go ahead and did the other side. They're both installed on both left side and right side. Now all we got is the clips. So put this back on it, and we should be done, man. I'm gonna show you guys the full. I'm gonna show you guys the full process of it. Let's go. All right, fellas. So this installation was very easy. I almost knocked myself out, but I got the cover, the plastic cover back installed, and then I went on and go ahead and did the right side. So now we got both LED lights on both right side and left side. So next I'm gonna do for the inside. Next I'm gonna do this one's right here, the little inside lights. I should have went and did it right now, but whatever. So, oh, and the little advice I give you guys is make sure you guys keep the OEM lights, just in case one of this goes out and you don't have the let's say like you out on the road or something like that. Make sure you keep your stock lights in case one of the LED lights go out, so that you can go ahead and install it real quick. All the tools you need is the screwdriver, man. That's all you need literally to pop this out and to pop the cover out in your hands. That's all the tools you need. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks with the fully LED backup kit on it. Okay, come on now, hurry up. She a little dirty too, so don't even look at that, because it's been running like I said
for like a whole week.
Yeah, for like 2 weeks. So
wait, hold on, that's not the right way. It is on. Nice, nice. I love it. She's starting to come together. Love it.
You look good?
I love it. Me encanta, mi amor.
I put the e-brake on so I can see it real quick. Yee. That looks better than the yellow light,
it's gonna look nice at nighttime.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be bright too. I'm gonna be able to put the tent on it now. But alright, y'all, so that's it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Nice and quick and easy.
Nice and little quick, easy installation, man. So yeah, it was very dope. Next I have to update the headlights and the fog lights, so that's next. Stay tuned.